So our question is, if the matrix given as 3x, 7, minus 2 and 4, this matrix is equals to this matrix 8, 7, 6, 4. We have to find the value of x. So we have to find the value of x using these two matrices, which is equals to each other. So we have to just open both determinants to solve the equation, to get the equation and then solve the equation. So let's jump into the answer. So here is the solution. These two matrices equal as given. So we just expand both determinants. So we just expand the determinants. How we expand? It's simple. We just multiply the first and last elements, and plus minus we multiply second and third element of the matrix. We get this equation 12x plus 14. By multiply 4 into 3x we get 12x, and by multiply 7 into minus 2 we get minus 14, which is equals to minus 14 into minus 14, that goes plus. After that we just expand this equation. We multiply 8 into 4 minus 7 into 6, we get 32 and minus 42. After getting these equation, we just simply minus this, we get minus 10, and this is the same. After that we just took 14 to this side, that will change the sign of 14, which is equals to minus 14. So we just add that, so we get 12x minus 24. By adding that we get minus 24. We just simply divide 12 by 12 to 24. We get x equals to minus 2. That's the answer. That's the value of x we found out using these matrices. Thank you.